who have not gone through it, so those who have not given the first exam, you just give the this second one. Okay, clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let's start it. So what is banking? See, basically what happens now, bank is there. What is the purpose of bank? Can anyone tell me? What is the basic purpose of bank? Anyone?
So to keep your money.
Or to store your money,
See, bank, what it
and can be
does-
used to give loans as well.
Yeah, what?
So it also gives loans to people, and a
So loans
person can
and
invest
people,
its money by
yeah, sir,
making any
people
type of
keep
account.
there to get interest also for their money.
Yeah. So basically, bank is doing what? It is receiving money. Okay. It is receiving money from depositors, and it is lending out money to what?
Receivers,
The
like the people who need loans.
Yes, lending out money to some receivers as loan and other purposes. Okay. For corporate industries also, it is lending out money, isn't it? Tell me. So the depositors, what they are doing, they are just depositing their money in the bank and they are getting some interest. Na?
yes,
What
sir, they do.
by interest?
So
Means
it's the
suppose
extra money we receive.
get some extra money. Okay. So whatever be the percentage, suppose X percent they are getting, X percent per annum they are getting as the interest while depositing their money in the bank. And what bank is doing, they are lending out their money to some of the receivers, some corporate industries and all. Okay. Or so what they are doing, they are also charging, the bank is also charging some interest, isn't it? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
And suppose the interest they are charging in order to lend out the money is Y% per annum. So which one is greater? X must be greater or Y? Tell me. Which one is greater in general? Tell me.
Why?
Y is greater than X. Why? Why? Can anyone tell me?
So what is
We
Y
need to make a
percent and X
profit.
percent here?
Why is the percentage? Why is the percentage rate of interest? You can say simply rate of interest which the bank is charging while lending out the money. So bank, see, the purpose of bank is to circulate the money. Okay, it is just circulating from depositor. It is taking the money. The depositor is depositing the money in the bank, and whatever money has been deposited, the bank is lending out to some of the receivers. Okay, so bank, what bank is doing? They are charging Y% interest per annum to the receivers. Whatever money they are lending out, they are charging this. Okay. So whatever charge they are charging, that must be greater than the rate of interest must be greater. Do you agree? Is it?
Yeah.
Tell me. Any doubt? Is it clear, sir?
Yes,
So
sir.
Y is
Yes, sir.
greater than X. Okay. This is the first concept. And there are other functions of bank also. Bank has various type of schemes. They have various types of schemes, just like PF. What is PF? Provident fund, isn't it? Then what? Anyone? Can you tell me? They have recurring deposit, that is RD.
Fixed deposit.
Yes. FD also, which is fixed deposit, which is FD. So various type of schemes they have, in which you the depositor can deposit the money monthly wise or annually wise or semi-annually, quarterly, whatever. Are you getting it? So
Yeah.
now we are just going to discuss about RD, which is recurring deposit. Any doubt, anyone? We are going to only
sir.
discuss about recurring deposit, which is RD. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
So, and in bank, there are various types of account also, savings, current, isn't it? Tell me, do you know this or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Savings account, current account, okay. So various types of account is also there. So we are talking about recurring deposit, okay. So what happens in recurring deposit? Suppose A is a person, okay. A person named is as A. So he is saying that this is a bank, whatever XYZ bank it is. He is saying that I will deposit 100 rupees per month. What I am saying? 100 rupees per month he is going to deposit it. Is it clear or not? Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
And he is saying that I will deposit this money for 1 year. So what is the time? Time is how much?
12 months.
1 year, which is, or you can say 12 months. Any doubt? Now the bank says that I will give you the rate of interest. I will give you a rate of interest. See, so 100 rupees per month if he is depositing. So total, how much he will deposit? Total amount? Total amount he will.
1,200.
1200.
Total amount to be deposited will be what? Anyone?
1200.
1200.
1200. Why? See, 12 months
100
he is
times.
depositing, na? 12 months he is depositing, and every month he is saying that I will deposit 100 rupees. So 100
Yes.
into 12, it is coming 1200. Okay. Acha, but what is the intention of the person A? Why he is depositing this money as recurring deposit? Anyone?
Trusted a profit after the 12 months.
Yes, so that he can have certain amount of profit upon this 1200. So the bank will say, okay, it's fine. You deposit 100 rupees per month and you are depositing for 12 months. So I will give you R% per annum, R% per annum as what?
The rate of interest.
Rate of-
Rate of interest. Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
Any doubts, sir? Okay. Now, suppose now I'm going to the calendar. So after whatever, after 1 year, so after 1 year, what will happen? Anyone, can you tell me? This is the total principal which which he has deposited now. This we can say as principal or total principal, whatever. Any doubt? Let us call it as total principal, because principal is what you are depositing per month. Are you getting it? 100 rupees was your principal. This is your principal. Do you agree? Tell me. Principal means
Yes,
what
sir.
is money which you are depositing per month. That is known as principal. So after 1 year, what will happen? Can anyone tell me? The person A will get some extra amount, means he will get more than 1200. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So he will
No.
get more than 1200. So you can say that after 12 months, see, what was your principal? This was your 100. So can I say P? I'm calling principal as P. So P into N. Why I'm doing N? What is my N? N means number of month. What I'm calling N?
Number of months.
So I'm calling small n as number of months. So this is the total amount I have deposited or not? Total amount deposited. Any doubt? Tell me. Clear or not? Tell me, sir. So the
Yes, sir,
total
clear.
amount
Yes,
the
sir.
person A has deposited in the bank is P into N, which you are calling as In our case, it is 100 into 12, which is coming out to be how much? 1200. Is it clear or not, sir? Tell me.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, after 1 year, whatever amount he will get, that is known as maturity. Maturity value. That is known as maturity value. Maturity value means whatever amount you have deposited for 12 months plus some interest. So can I say that total amount which has been deposited, total amount deposited plus interest? Tell me, sir. Can I write down maturity value like this? Any doubt?
Yes, so you can write it like that.
This is
Fine. So what is my total amount deposited? Total amount
PN.
deposited is P into N plus interest. Any doubt? So I am calling it as interest. So now my main concern is to find out what is my I for n number of months. Is it clear? Is it clear
Yes, sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it, everyone? So if you want to note it down, quickly note it down this part. So what I said,
Answer.
a person name it as A, he is depositing 100 rupees per month. So this 100 rupees is known as what? Principal. This 100 rupees is known as what? Principal. What is the time period? He is depositing for 1 year. So the time is known as what? 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. So we are calling small n is nothing but number of months. Number of months for which he is depositing the amount or the principal, whatever. And what is
So?
the rate of interest the bank is giving? R%.
So,
Yeah, tell me, Sunav.
does it always have to be in does N always have to be in months, or can it just be time period? Like say it can also be in
Yes.
years.
See, what happens now when it is a recurring deposit, you have to deposit the amount per month basis, monthly basis you have to deposit. In recurring deposit is an account where you have to deposit the certain amount monthly basis. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. So, but
That's why-
in other parts of banking, it can be like in years, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
In some other accounts, just like you can say fixed deposit account, you can just deposit a certain amount only once and you can leave it. Are you getting it?
Understood, sir.
Got it? Suppose
Yes, sir.
I deposit 20,000 and I say that I will be depositing 20,000 not per month, one time only I am depositing, and I will keep it for 2 years. So that type that you can deposit in another account which is known as what? Fixed deposit. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So the money is fixed now, 20,000 is fixed. Did you get the idea? But in recurring deposit, every month you have to deposit a certain amount which you are saying that, okay, I will submit, deposit this amount. Is it
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now my main concern is to find out my interest. So now the question arises how to calculate interest. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now suppose I am taking one example. Okay. I am taking one example. Suppose it's 1st January 2022, suppose. And I said that I will deposit. What I am going to deposit? I am depositing whatever I am depositing, that is known as what? Principal,
Principal
na?
amount.
So I am depositing P rupees per month. Got it or not? So your principal is P. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Is it clear? Now when the second month, means when it is February, then again you have to deposit P rupees, no? Tell me. Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
And when it is March, then again you have to deposit what?
P.
P. So likewise, when it is December, again you have to deposit how much? P. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Tell me. And I said that I will be depositing P rupees for 1 year. What I'm saying? P rupees I will be depositing for how many months? Tell me. For 1 year. 1 year means 12 months, na?
12 months.
Acha. Can anyone tell me that whatever money I have deposited in the first month, that is in January, so I should get the interest upon this. So upon this money, for how many months I will be getting interest? Anyone?
12 months.
For 12 months. Do you agree? And upon this money, which I have deposited, upon this principal, which I have deposited in the second month. So for how many months I will be getting interest upon this?
So for second month, it will be 11 months of interest.
11 months I will get interest. Any doubt, anyone? Is it clear or not? Tell me.
It's clear, sir.
Clear, everyone? So similarly, when you are going to say, Acha, let me write down whatever things I am saying, let me write down, okay? So let me create some space and I will write down, okay? So that at the end you will get the formula. Is it clear or not? Tell me, sir. So this was for first month and you will get interest for what? So interest, let me create some space here. Interest for months. So you are saying this for 12 months you will get, and this upon this money you will get interest for how many months? 11 months. Upon this you will get interest for how many months? Can you tell me? When you are the money which you are depositing in March month, you will get the interest for how many months? Tell me. Hello, Advait, is it audible?
Yes, sir. The voice is breaking a bit, but it's fine. It's just my internet is a bit bad today.
Is it breaking, everyone?
No, sir, it's just my internet that's a bit bad.
Okay, Aditya, tell me, when you are depositing the P amount, P is the certain amount of money in March month, so you will get whatever interest you will get for how many months?
So that will be for 10 months.
10 months. And whatever, so likewise it will keep on moving. So whatever money you are depositing in the month of December, so you will get interest upon this for how many months? Tell me. 1 month
So-
only, no?
Yeah, so December month only 1 month. So
1 month only. So I think, what was my time period? Time I can say, which is N, which I have taken as what? 12 months. Principal, what I have taken? Principal is nothing but P I have taken. So can I say that whatever interest I am getting, this is the amount and this has been taken into consideration for interest for 12 months. So can I say P into 12 plus this certain amount is for lent for 11 months. So P into 11. This certain amount is lent for 10 months. So P into 10. Tell me. Likewise for December month, it will be P into 1. Any doubt? Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
And upon this,
how is it P into 12 and then P into 11?
what? See, this money, whatever you have deposited in the first month, this is lent out for how many months? You have deposited in the first month, isn't it? Tell me.
Yes,
But
sir.
see, in bank now it keeps on, your amount will be added, then based upon that you will again get interest, then for next month you will then whatever amount you add, then again you will get interest upon that. So for the first month, whatever amount you have deposited, you will get the interest for 12 months now. Tell me.
Yeah.
And whatever amount you have added on February, in that you will get the interest for 11 months only, not 12 months. Are you getting my point? Because you have deposited the money in Feb month. And when you are depositing the money on March month, you will get the interest for 10 months only. Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
Is it clear or not? And you know that the simple interest formula. What is the simple interest formula? Anyone? P into
T
R into
R
T
by
by
T.
T by
PRT by 100.
T by 100. Okay. So simple interest is mostly very much is interest only. Okay. So can I say, sir, this is the certain amount which was lent. So first month amount is lent for 12 months. Second month amount is lent for 11 months. Third month amount is lent for 10 months. Likewise, the December month amount has been lent for 1 month only. So what this is the total which upon which interest is being calculated. Okay. So you will say, sir, whatever be the rate of interest it is there, so you should multiply R by 100 with the rate of interest in order to calculate interest. Any doubt? Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
Now, if I take P common from here, what I will get? Anyone? If I take P common from here, what I will get? You can write down like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... up to 12. Any doubt? Tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Acha, why it is coming up to 12? Why it is coming up to 12?
12 months.
12 months.
Because you have fixed your number of months as 12. So suppose if I talk about in general, suppose if I say that my principal is P, rate of, I'm talking about in general, okay? Just think about it. Rate of interest is R% per annum and time is N months. What is the time I'm saying? N months. So instead of this 12, it will be up to N months. Tell me, do you agree? Earlier, the time was 12 months. So that's why it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... up to 12. Any doubt or not? Tell me, sir. Hello? Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
can I write down that my interest is what? Interest, can I write down P into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... up to what? N into
N.
R by 100? You just have a look now. Just have a look. P is there, P is there. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to, it was 12, but I have considered up to N months. So it will be up to N months now. Into R by 100. So R by 100 is there. Any doubt? Tell me, sir. Any doubt, anyone? Is it clear? Sunav?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah, sir. Clear.
Now you have to know this. I don't know how many of you know this. If AP was done now, then you have known. If you have done AP now, then you can understand this.
Yeah, so this is sum of an arithmetic figure.
Progression.
Sum of first and natural number, you can say, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah.
So it will be n into n plus 1 by 2. As of now, you remember, once AP is done now, once AP is done, then I will tell you How did you get this? Is it clear what I'm saying? Once the chapter AP is completed, I will tell you how I got this.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Just remind me.
So,
Okay? Yeah.
okay, yeah, sir. Yeah, got it.
As of now, you remember. This I got from AP. You can also think now, sir, suppose if I add 1 plus 2 plus 3. So how much you are getting? 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 plus 1 is what? Tell me.
6.
6. Acha. Then what? This is ending at what number?
3.
3.
So my n will be how much? In this case,
Three.
what would be my n? 3, na? So
Yes.
if I put here n as 3, so what I am getting? 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. How much you are getting, anyone? 3 into 4 by 2, which is 6 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it satisfying?
Yeah.
Got it? Did you get the idea? This is correct. The formula which I have written, that is correct. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So as of now, you just remember, this has been calculated from the concept of AP. So once AP is done, then I will tell you. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So can I write down that my interest will be P into, in place of this, what I can write down now? Anyone?
N into n plus 1 by 2.
N into n plus 1 by 2 into R by 100. So this is the formula for interest. Tell me, this is the formula for interest or not?
Yeah.
Now maturity value means what? Maturity value means, what is the meaning of maturity value? Maturity value means whatever amount you will get after a certain time period, means you have lent out the money for 12 months or n months. So I think you will say that how much amount you have deposited. So it will be P into N. This is the amount you have deposited, not total amount deposited plus interest. Total amount deposited plus interest. Any doubt? Hello? So I think I am getting the
No doubt, sir.
P into R, P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 by 2 into R by 100. This is the formula of MB. MB is known as maturity value. Any doubt? Any doubt do you have? Tell me. So basically you have to remember two formulas. One is this one and the other one is this one. Got it? Only two formulas in this
Got
chapter.
it, sir.
Any doubt, sir?
No doubt, sir.
And
No
what
doubts.
time period you have to make? What is your n? Small n? Is in months, number of months. So if it is given that time is 3 years, then what you will write down?
36.
36. So n will be 36. Any doubt? Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
doubt, sir.
Did you get it or not? Tell me. So I should write down here capital R, okay, instead of small r. I'm writing capital R, okay. That will be also fine. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you have noted down?
Yeah.
So I'm giving you a very simple question. Slowly, I will increase the level, okay? So the question is, Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month. So how much money he is depositing? 200 rupees per month for 36 months. Got it? I think you got the time also. In a bank's recurring deposit. Any doubt? Tell me, sir.
No, sir.
Recurring deposit account. Okay. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum. Find the amount she gets on maturity. What is the meaning of maturity?
PN plus I.
Whatever time period you have assigned initially, that I will lend out my money for 36 months. So after 36 months, what is the amount which you will get? That is known as maturity. Is it clear? So whatever amount you have said that I will lend out my money for 36 months. So the completion of 36 months, after that, whatever money you will get, that is known as maturity. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So you just think like, suppose a plant is there, na? A small plant is there, okay? Suppose you say that, sir, a small plant is there. Okay. And what you are doing? For 36 months, you are adding water, na? Tell me. Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this plant will grow up, na? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So after 36 months, it will grow up. So how much is the growth at that time? That is known as maturity. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
every time you are adding some, what to say, water you are adding some minerals also, okay? Some chemicals also, you are fertilizer and all you are supplying, isn't it? Tell me. So this is the case. So tell me, calculate it down, everyone.
So should I send my answer in chat?
Yeah. You can send it. Let's see who can solve this question. Those who have completed, raise your hand, okay? Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Hello? Is it audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
So how many
So
of
it's
you got the
very,
answer?
so
Yeah,
it's very soft. No.
what?
Okay, now it's fine. No, so it was soft for a moment, but it's fine. now.
Okay, now it's fine, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Now it's fine, sir.
okay. So many of you got 8,421, 8,421. 8,421 is correct, I think. Let's check. Okay. Now, Aditya, tell me, Aditya, is it audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Aditya, tell me what is the principal? Principal is what?
The
200.
principal is 200.
What is the time?
36 months.
36 months. So time you said that time is small n, na?
Yeah, sir, small one.
And what is the rate?
Rate is 11%.
R is 11%. Okay, okay, okay. 11% per annum, na? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me what they are asking, maturity value. So maturity value is what? P into N plus
P into n plus 1 by 2
N into N plus 1 by 2
into 1 by 12 into R by 100.
into R by 100, na? Acha, 12 will be also there. Why it is upon 12 it is there? Sorry, I forgot here to write down 12. Why? Why it is there? Anyone? Can you tell me? Anyone? Can you tell me?
The rate is per annum and
Very
N is
good.
the number of months.
Very good. Yes, the rate is in per annum and N is the number of months. That's why you will get here 12 divided by.
Plus, instead, can we just change the number of months to years and then do it?
Yeah, that also it's fine. But see, basically what is happening, you are getting the formula for this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Every month, see, then this, what it is coming, it's 12 months, it's coming. Then you have to write down 1 by 12, 1 by 11. Got it? Are you getting it? Means 11 by 12, whatever. You have to convert this in what? Here, na? This you will get 12 by 12, then 11 by 12, then 10 by 12. So basically, this is coming in here. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So this is the formula. Then what you can do, anyone? Principal is how much? 200. So 200 into N is how much? 36. Plus then principal is how much? 200. N is how much? 36. And here 36 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R is how much? 11 divided by 100. Any doubt? Tell me. Now you can do what? I think I can take this as common. Any doubt? So 200 into 36, if I take common, so it is 1 plus 37 by 2 into 11 by 100. Any doubt, sir? Tell me.
No, sir, no doubts.
So I think this 2 into 100, it's 200 in the denominator. So 200 plus 37 into 11, how much you will get? Anyone? Can you tell me?
407.
into 11. So 37 here and 37 here. So
So what
it's
happened to 1 by 12? We have to.
what?
So also it's into 1 by 12, right?
Sorry, yeah, 1 by 12 is also there. So 1 by 12 is also there. So it will be how much then? 2400, no?
Yeah.
And here also it will be 2400. Tell me. But here 37 into 11 will be how much? 37 into 11 will be how much? Tell me, anyone? It will be 7. Here is 0, 407. This you are getting. Any doubt? Tell me, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Is it clear? So you can do the calculation then. I think This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel. 2, 12s are 12, 3s are. So 3 into, you just add it up. How much you are getting? 0782807 is there, into 3 you have to do. So how much you will get? Can you calculate it out? 2807 into 3. So it's 8421. So 8421 is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So basically your interest formula is what? P into N
n
into
into n plus 1 by 2 into 12.
About
by-
12 at that time. Yes, the rate is R% per annum. Okay, it is not monthly wise. That's why you're doing this. And maturity value is what? P into N plus interest. That's all. Clear, everyone? Only this two formula is there. That's all. Sometimes they will ask maturity values. Sometimes they will give everything. Interest is given. Okay. So they will ask what is the principal. Got it? Number of months will be given. Rate will be
Yeah.
also given. So only one unknown will be there. You have to find out. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
How will clear, everyone? So let me
Yes.
give you another question. Is it clear, everyone? Got it? Write down a
Yes,
question.
sir.
Write down a question, okay? Mrs. Matthew opened a RD account. Okay, that is a recurring deposit account in a certain bank. In a certain bank, okay, and deposited 640 per month. Got it? For 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account. This is the first part. Second part, acha, only one part is there. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per year or per annum. You get it, everyone? I'm giving you 2 minutes time to calculate it out. So basically in this question, you have to find what is your N. N is how much? Can anyone tell me?
So 54 months.
Okay. How you are getting 54, Aditya?
Sir, 4 years, 48 months, and half a year is 6 months.
Yeah,
So
plus
Yes,
six.
very good. So you are saying that's a time, it is given 4.5 years, which is basically 4 plus 1 by 2 years. Any doubt? So
No doubt.
4 years means 12 into
48.
4, and this one 12 into half. So
Yes, sir.
basically you are getting what? 48 plus 6. So that is 54 months. You can convert year into month, na? Tell me.
yes,
So I think N you are getting as 54. P is how much? 640. R is how much? 12% per annum it is given. So what would be your formula? MV? P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Any doubt?
no, sir.
P is known, N is known, R is known. So I think you can calculate it out. This one. Clear? Calculate it out quickly. So what you will get, anyone? 640 into 54, and here 640 into 54. Acha, n plus 1 will be how much? N is 54, so it will be 55 by 2 into 12. Into R is how much?
12 by 100.
12 by 100. So I think what you can do, this 12 cancel. So this 2, you will get how much? 27. Tell me. This 0
Yes, sir.
cancel. So from 2, this will be 32. From 2, this will be 5. So 5, this will be 11. Any doubt? So I think you are getting 640 into 54 plus 32 into 27 into 11. So calculate it out quickly. Tell me what you are getting.
Sir, I sent the answer. Sir, I sent the answer in the chat.
Okay, you send it in the chat. Okay, good. So 640 into 54 will be how much? 34560, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this one, 27 into 32 into 11 will be how much? 9504.
Yes,
So
sir.
9504.
So that's 44064.
How much you are getting?
So 44,064.
Yes, 44,064 is the correct answer. Did you get it, everyone? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt in this part? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this type of question is done. Means when the number of years is in fraction. Okay, when the number of years is in fraction, this you can do in another way also. This is 4.5 years. So what you can write down, anyone? 4.5 years, what you can write down? You can write down 9 by 2 years. Tell me. So in order to convert this years into month, what you will do? Multiply with 12. So what you are getting? Tell me. 9 6 are 54 months. Any doubt?
No, sir. Not.
Clear? Again, you are getting 54 only, na? 54 months. You mentioned it. 54 months. Is it clear, everyone? Anya, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now, just changing the question. Okay, now you have to find out the what is the principle. Okay, a man has a RD account in a bank for 3.5 years. Okay, if the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10206 on maturity. So on maturity, he is getting this much of amount. So this is what 10206 is what?
The maturity value.
So the final.
Maturity value. So find the
Principal rate.
value of monthly installment. Find it out. Once you're done, you just tell me, okay? Aditya, done?
No, sir, no.
Piyush? This question Piyush will do.
Yes, sir. I didn't finish it yet.
Okay.
Sir, I got that.
Okay, let's see how many of you got.
So wait 1 minute, almost done. So where do I send? So should I send the answer?
Yeah, give it in the chat, okay? Send your answer in the chat and raise your hand. Those who have
Send.
completed, raise your hand. Let me just check. Only 2 of you. 3, 4, 5, 6.
So I'm done, but I'm not sure about.
Okay. Advait, what about you? Diya? Achha, your paper, no? For correction, I have completed many papers. Okay, corrected many papers. Only 2-3 papers are left. Okay. By tomorrow, I will try to correct it. Then you will see. Many of you can see your result, na? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For which one, sir?
Huh?
For which subject? Which test?
For maths only.
Ah, okay, phase 1.
The exam which you have given, na, many paper I have corrected. Only I think 2-3 are only left. Okay. So I will correct it by tomorrow. Then you can see. Piyush, tell me. Piyush, tell me how to solve this question.
Yes, sir. So your maturity value is given, and you
Okay,
have
let me write down one by one. So MV is given. What is MV?
10,206.
206. Okay. And then
And time is 3.5 years, so it is 3 years plus 6 months.
yeah, so you can also write down in this way 7/2 years. So which is 7/2 into 12. This much of months, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I think you are saying 42 months.
Yeah,
Any
yes, sir.
doubt?
42.
Okay, then
So we can start by
anything
substituting.
more? Anything more? It is given. Whatever given data is there, na, you write down first that.
Yeah, and rate is given as 12%. per annum.
So rate of interest R, which is 12% per annum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
by this way you have to write down. Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
I am mentioning my variable also. See, N I am taking as time, R I am taking as rate, MV I am taking as what? Maturity value.
So now we can take principal as,
Write down in your exam also. Yeah, tell me.
you can take principal as P.
So you are saying let
Yeah, let principal be P.
principal be what?
P.
P.
Yes, sir.
So it will be P into N
Plus I.
P
Yeah,
into
yeah.
N into
N
N
plus 1,
2
2
into
into 12, R by
R
100.
by 100. So
Yes,
what
sir.
you will get?
You will get,
As a P I can take common, na?
yes, sir, you can take P
And
as
N is 42. So 42 into this will be how much? 43
43.
by 2 into 12 into R is how
12 by
much?
100. 12 by
12 by 100. Any doubt?
12 gets cancelled.
And MB is what?
10,206.
206. Any doubt? Then what to do?
So you can cancel 12.
Then
So I have not done it in this method. I have just found out interest first and substituted interest in the MV
that is
formula.
also fine. So basically you are going to find out this. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir.
So you
So
can
42 into
divide by
40.
2, so it is 21. So now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to multiply 21 with 43. So 21 into 43 is how much? Calculate. So this will be 3, 6 and 4, 10, 0, 1, 8,
So 903.
903. And divided by 100, it will be what?
9.03.
And here it's 42. Any doubt? Tell me. So how much we are getting? This one is coming how much? Tell me. 51.03.
Yes, sir, 51.
This is P. This we are getting. So P will be what? 10206 by 51.03. Then you can divide it. So after dividing, what you will get? Tell me. $51.03. What you will get?
200.
You are getting 200. So that means P must be rupees
sir,
200 per month. You have to write down like this. Is it clear, Piyush?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it? Any doubt? In this part, any doubt? Tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, next question. Okay, just do this question. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it's a good question. A recurring deposit. All of you got this? We have done a. Is it clear? How many of you got this? Please raise your hand quickly. Up to what I have taught you, you are getting. Please raise your hand. Sri Charan, got it.
Yeah.
What about rest of you? Vaishnav, Suhel, Shreyas, Saranya, Divij, Nitin. Divij is getting a network issue or what? Arav. Rest of you, what about you? Did you get it? Tushar?
Sir, I had raised my hand, sir. I think it got lowered. I understood.
Yeah. Shreyas, are you getting it? Shreyas Patel? Shreyas Patel?
So can you hear me now?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, Divij, you are getting now?
Yes, sir, I understood it.
Shreyas Patel, can you just unmute yourself? Shreyas Patel,
Yes, sir.
are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, Shreyas, you do this question, okay? I want the answer from your side. Okay, got it? Shreyas, you try. I will help you out. Don't worry. So, a recurring deposit of rupees 1200 per month, it has been given, okay? 1200 per month has a maturity value of 12440. So 12,440 rupees maturity is given. If the rate of interest is 8%, okay, and the interest calculated at the end of every month, at the end of every month, okay, got it? Find the time of this recurring, find the time of this recurring deposit account. Any doubt?
Given us the value for interest calculated at end of every month.
Yes. Acha, what do you mean by this about that the interest being calculated at the end of every month? Acha, earlier, whatever formula we have applied here, is the interest calculated every month or it is calculated yearly basis?
Every month.
Every month.
Every month.
That's why you are dividing with 12, na?
Yes, sir.
See, interest, this R has been given as per annum basis. But when you are dividing with 12, you are making it the calculation of interest every month. Is it clear? So don't get confused. Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Shreyas, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Shreyas, how to calculate. So what are the things given? Just tell me. Okay, I will write down.
Sir,
Shreyas?
maturity value is 12,440.
Okay, maturity value is 12,440. Okay, then.
Sir, rate of interest is 8%.
So R percent is given to you as 8% per annum. Write down this, okay? Then anything more? Tell me, Shreyas.
Sir, the principal is 1,200.
Principal is also given rupees 1200. Okay. So what you require? Time. So let us take our time as small n months. Okay. So what you know, Shreyas? MV is what? Tell me, what is the formula?
Sir, P into N
Yes.
plus P into N plus 1
Yes.
divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100.
R by 100. Any doubt? Now we have to just put the values now. MV is how much? 12,440. P is how much? 1200 into N. Again here P is how much? 1200 into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R is how much? 8 by 100. Any doubt, Shreyas? Tell me. We can
No,
write
sir.
this or not?
Yes, sir, you can write it.
Okay. So Shreyas, I think the calculation is very easy. This 2 0, this 2 0 cancel. This 12 cancel. Tell me, do you agree?
Yes, sir. And 2 and 8.
2 and 8, if I cancel, what I'm getting? 4. Isn't it, Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to multiply this with this 4, isn't it? And you have to multiply this one. Okay, fine. So what I will get, Shreyas?
Sir, you're going to get a quadratic equation.
Yes, yes. This is 1200. Okay, this
Sir,
is
n into
1200.
n plus 1 is n square plus n into 4.
Yeah, so what I will get? 4
4n square plus 4n.
and here?
12,440, sir.
Shreyas, I can, in the earlier step also, this is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4, and this is also divisible by 4, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Or in this step also, if you divide this with 4, this with 4, this with 4, this with 4, that is also fine. Any doubt? So if I divide
No,
this with 4, what I will get? 311.
3110, sir.
2 times 1, na? 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And this one?
Sir, 300.
And this one?
Sir, 1.
N square.
Yes, sir. 1n square and 1n.
N only. So this one and this one will combine now, like terms. So what you can write down? N square plus 301 n minus
Minus 3110 is equal to 0.
then how to factorize? Tell me.
Sir, I have not found the factors yet. Sir, I have not found the factors yet.
But factors are very easy, don't worry. See, 3110. So can I write down 311? Okay. So
Sir,
you
311 and 10.
minus 311 and plus 10 if you do,
Yes, sir.
I think you are getting this.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Not minus, take it plus higher one, then only you will get this. Any doubt? Tell me, Sunav.
No, sir.
Yes, did you get it?
Got it, sir.
So n square plus 311 n minus 10n minus 3110 equals to 0. Middle term factorization, isn't it? You have splitted it into 2 terms. So what you will get? If I take n, if you factorize it, what you will get? N plus 311.
Yes, n plus 311 and
10 you will get. Any
yes, sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
So n value, how much you are getting?
Minus 311 or 10.
So which one, both is your answer, na?
No, sir. Time cannot be negative.
This is not possible. Why?
Sir, it's a negative.
It's a negative. And this one?
So it's positive, so it's possible.
So n is how much?
10, sir.
10 what?
10 months. 10 months.
So you have to be careful with the unit also. Is it clear, Shreyas?
Got it, sir.
Any doubt, anyone? Is it clear or
No,
not?
sir, no doubt.
So it's very easy. This chapter is very easy. Na? Nothing is there. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Nothing is there. Do you agree? Hello? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Let me
Yes.
just check how many of you have done this by yourself. Does you have completed this question by yourself? Let me first lower down your hand.
So your voice is breaking.
Is it breaking now also? Or is it fine? Hello?
So now it's fine.
So those who have completed this question by yourself, raise your hand. Let me just check how many of you are doing this by yourself. Okay. 15. Out of 27, 14 of you. So 50, 50. Okay, 15 of you. 16, 17. You are telling the truth, na? Okay. So let me just give you one question. So this question, I will ask everyone. Randomly, I will ask, what is the answer? Okay. So Katrina opened a RD account. Is it audible? Hello, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait now. Okay. So Katrina opened a RD account. Okay. With a bank. Whatever. For a period of 2 years. Got it or not? Tell me, sir. If the bank pays interest at the rate of if the bank pays the interest at the rate of 6% per annum and the monthly installment okay is rupees 1000. Find number 1. What you need to find? Number 1, interest for 2 years. Number 2, maturity value. Any doubt?
Can you go up?
Sir, I checked my answer.
Sir, I got it.
Got it? So in one question, we have done how to calculate principal. In another, we have completed how to calculate number of months. In this question, part wise it is there. First calculate the interest, then calculate the maturity value. That's all, isn't it? So quickly do it. All of you have noted down the question?
Yes.
Sejal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Just try this question.
Yes, I sent the answer.
Okay, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer for first?
I got 1,500.
1,500.
Yes, sir.
And the second one?
I got 25,500.
25,500.
Yes, sir.
Time is given, na? Which you are taking as n, which is 2 years, isn't it? Tell me. So this will be how many months?
24 months.
So it will be 24 months. Any doubt? Acha, then principal is given, na?
Yes, sir. Principal is 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees, na? Principal is 1,000 rupees. Rate is given how much?
6%.
So rate R is given to you as 6% per annum. Okay, fine. Now we are talking about interest first. So interest formula is what?
Principal into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100.
Okay, by 12 into R by 100. Okay. So basically we know everything. So we have to just put it, isn't it? P
Yes, sir.
is how much we have? P.
1,000.
Okay. P is 1,000. Just wait a minute. So P is 1,000. N is how much?
24
And
into 25 by 2 into 12 into 6 by 100.
cancel. 25 into 6 is and 10. Whatever you said, that is correct. Now let's talk about maturity value. Maturity value is what?
P into n plus interest.
P into n plus interest rate, isn't it? So P is how much? 1,000
So it will be
rupees.
1,000 into 24 plus 1,500.
So 24,000 plus. So basically it is 25,500. Any doubt? Is it clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you another question. Is it clear, everyone?
Sir, your audio quality is really bad. I don't know if it's just for me, but
Okay, let me just check for others.
now
Is my
it's
voice
fine, sir.
breaking? Madhav, Nitin?
Yes, sir, it breaks sometimes.
Yeah, so I don't think it doesn't break. It just like the quality isn't that good. Like and sometimes.
Okay, it is not breaking. Quality is not good.
Sir, now it's fine.
Yes, sir, you can say that.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, so now it's fine, but then in the middle, like sometimes it break,
Okay,
like
wait,
gets
wait.
muffled.
Wait. Keep the mic. Now is it fine? Hello?
I think
Yeah.
it's fine now, but we'll know later.
Okay, okay. If it breaks, just tell me at that. Suchita, is it fine now?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Okay. Now, so we have find that when principal is unknown, we have calculated. When time is unknown, we have calculated. We have calculated interest. We have calculated maturity value. Now let us take one question in which rate of interest is not given. Okay. So let us practice that question in which rate of interest is unknown. Is it clear, everyone? So Mr. Gupta opened a RD account. I'm writing the short form, okay, in a bank. After that, it is said that he deposited rupees 2,500 per month. Any doubt? Yes. Is my voice clear, everyone?
It's breaking now again.
It's breaking now again. Okay. At the time of maturity, I'm using the Wi-Fi, but again it is breaking.
So I don't think it's it's a Wi-Fi issue. I think it's an
Sorry,
issue with your
it's
mic.
LAN connection. I'm using the LAN connection. With LAN it is connected. Okay, we'll see. Okay, now it's fine, everyone.
Yeah, sir.
It's fine now.
He got what? Rupees 67,500. Any doubt? Find number one. The total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. So the first question is interest. Second one, the rate of interest per annum. So what are the things given to you? Anyone? R is unknown to you. How to calculate? I'm giving you 2 minutes time to think about it. Give me the answer.
Sir, wouldn't we need to find rate first to find interest?
Yes, you have to find a rate first. How you can
Okay.
find the interest?
Yes,
You
sir.
can find now.
Yes, sir, the order of the
Interest
question.
also you can find. So first you find the interest first. Then you find the rate.
Okay.
Interest you can find now because maturity value is given, principal given, time is given.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So interest you can find it out.
But I got the answer.
Yeah, so even I got the answer.
Okay, good.
So I sent my answer on chat.
Okay.
Well, I sent my answer.
Let me ask someone, okay? Madhav, are you there? Madhav?
Yes, sir.
Mother, tell me how to solve this question. What are the things given? Just tell me. Given data.
So it says that he opened an RD account in a bank
Okay.
and deposited 2,500 per month for 2 years.
So what is given?
He deposited 2,500 per month for 2 years,
So
right?
what is this 2,500?
The
2,500 is what? Principal, na? Madhav. Whatever amount you are depositing per monthly basis, that is your what? Principal. Do you agree?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So principal is given to you how much?
2,500.
So you can simply say that MP is given to you as 2,500. Okay. Then this is what?
So the time.
So time. Time is given in years, na? 2
Yes,
years.
sir.
What you have to do?
So make it into months, right?
So make it into months. So 2 years is equivalent to how many months?
24.
24 months. Okay. After that,
At the time of maturity, he got 67,500.
this is what given 60,000, 67,500 is what? Maturity value, na?
Yes, sir.
So MB is given to you as 67,500.
67,500.
Okay. Now, what is your MV? Can you tell me what is the formula of MV? Madhav, tell me. Okay, the formula is above only. Can I say P into N?
Can you hear me? Oh, so I was talking, you couldn't hear me. Okay.
Yeah. Tell me.
So,
Total amount deposited plus interest, na? So total amount
yes,
deposited will be P into N
yes, sir.
plus interest, which is my I. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So Madhav, can I say that MV is how much? How much it is given MV?
67,500.
Acha. P is given how much?
2,500.
N is given how much?
The 24 months.
So will you be able to calculate this I?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is your I?
So it'll be
Multiply
okay,
25 into
67,500. Yes, sir.
25 into 24 multiplied. What you are getting? Tell me what you are getting.
So 600 will be 600,000 minus, yeah.
So 602 more 0.
Yes, sir.
So I think I'm getting 60,000.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is my interest?
7,500.
So I think I got my first answer,
Yes, sir.
which is how much?
7,500.
Okay. Now you have to calculate what? Rate of interest. It's better to calculate rate of interest using interest formula. It's better to calculate interest using this formula. I is equals to what? P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into what?
R. Yes, sir. R by
R
100.
by 100, na?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So what you will get? P is given to you 2500, N is given to you 24. So N plus 1 will be how much? 25 by 2 into 12. R is unknown, so let it be R only. And I you have got 7500. Okay. So 2 into 12 is 24, cancel. This 2 0 cancel. So 25 into 25 you will get now. So 625 R, this is 7500. Any doubt? Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir. No,
So
sir.
R is how much you are getting? 7500 by 625, na? Tell me. Will you be able to divide it?
Yes, sir, by 12.
Yes, sir.
By
12.
25 if I divide now, by 25 if I divide, so 25, acha 12 you are getting finally. 25 if you divide, you will get here 300 and finally 25 with here, you will get 12. So it's 12 what? Percent per annum. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Someone thinks, sir, I know the formula of maturity value is P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So he will say, sir, P is known, N is known, P is known, N is known, all these things known. So MV is also known. So the only unknown is R. Don't use this one. While finding R, don't use this one. Is it clear? Is it clear? Use the formula for interest one. Is it clear? It's better to use this one. You will get the same answer, but there might be chances that you might. Any doubt? Tell me, any
No, sir,
doubt,
no doubts.
anyone? Hello?
No, sir, no doubts.
No,
Give you
no,
one
sir.
more question. Last question. Okay? Clear? Clear,
Okay,
everyone?
sir.
Okay. All of you have done? Did you get it, everyone? So this
Yes,
chapter
sir.
is very easy. So you practice it. Okay?
So what else is there in the chapter?
Huh? What?
Is there anything else in the chapter?
No, nothing is there. Only this is there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Nothing is there. Only this thing. Okay, we'll do two questions. Okay, two type of questions are there. Okay, we'll do that. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let me first do this one, then I will go for that one. That one is very much similar. You have done, but this one is something different. So Mohit started paying rupees 800 per month in a RD account. Got it? After 2 years, he started one more RD account. Any doubt? Any doubt? In which he deposited rupees 1500 per month. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
If the bank pays 10% per annum, simple interest in both the deposits, find at the end of 6 years. Wait now. Acha, coming week now we will start ratio and proportion. Okay. First, let us do ratio and proportion. Again, GST. Got it, everyone? Here. Hello. Which chapter to
Yes,
do
sir,
first?
clear.
Tell me.
Ratio proportion.
Ratio and proportion, na? One chapter commercial mathematics we have done. Then we will go for ratio proportion. Then again GST. Okay. So your syllabus will be completed by this month only. Okay. Then one this will be left out. AP will be left. AP you will get video as well as some doubt session and all will be there. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the question. So can anyone tell me what is the question telling you? This is one of the lengthiest question which you have got till now. So what is the in the question, anyone? Done.
Yeah, sir.
Raise your hand, those who have completed. So nothing is there in this question, isn't it? Tell me. Nothing is there. What it is mentioned, anyone? Can you tell me? Hello?
It's two RD deposits.
Yes. Two RD deposits are there. Okay. So for first RD, suppose I'm saying RD1. What is the principal? Anyone? This is the principal. Tell me. It's rupees 800, na? What is the time? Time, I think it is given as 6 years, na? So the first RD, it will be 6 years only. Do you agree? Hello? So time
Yes, sir.
to small n, which will be 6 years. 6 years means how much? 72.
72 months.
Any doubt? Tell me. And I think it is given, it is mentioned that your rate of interest R is how much? 10% per annum. It is for both fixed, isn't it? Tell me. R is fixed for RD1 as well as RD2. Do you agree? So what would be the maturity value after 6 years? You will say P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Any doubt? Tell me. Isn't it? Tell me, sir. So 800 into 72 plus 800 into 72 into 73 by 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. Any doubt? Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So now it's calculation only. This 0, this 2 will cancel. 12 6 are na? And 2 3s are. So basically you are getting what? 800 into 72. It's there. Plus 8 3s are, it's 24. So 240 into 73, it's there. So how much? Tell me, anyone. This is coming how much? Can you tell me? Hello? Two 240 into 73 is how much? This is coming out to be 17,520. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And this one 57,600. So total it's coming out to be 75,120. Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
So this is the maturity value from first recurring deposit. From RD2, what is the principal? For RD2, what is the
1,500.
principal is 1,500. Okay.
Yes.
And you have started the RD2 after 2 years, and you have to start and you have to end for 6 years. Means it is what is the time period for this? It will be 4 years only, na?
Yes, sir. 4 years.
So principal is rupees 1,500, na? Time, which is small n, is 4 years. So 4 years is what? 48 months. Tell me.
Yeah.
Rate that is fixed, which is given as 10%. So maturity value will be what? This I am writing as MV2. This was MV1. So same formula, P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Any doubt? So P it's 1,500. N is how much? 48. Again 1,500. 48 into 49 by 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. Any doubt? Tell me. This 20 cancel. So 12 into 2, 24, 24 2s are. So how much you are getting? This is 30, 30 into 0. This is 300 into 49 here. And here 1,500 into 48. Any doubt? So how much you are getting? Tell me, anyone. 30 into 49, it's coming out to be 14700. And this one coming out to be 72,000. Any doubt? So
No, sir.
you are getting how much?
No.
86,700.
86,700.
So which one is giving you more? This one
The
is
second one.
120 and this one is 87,000, 86,700. So you can just see that the time period of this was what? 72 months, but the time period of this was what? 48 months, but then also it is giving more. Why? Because the principal is more, no? Did you get it? Tell me, sir. Are you getting it? So how much he is getting more? So the difference, you should take the difference of what? MV2 minus MV1. That's all. So it will be how much? Tell me. 86,700 minus 75. 120. So how much you will get? 11,580. This is the extra amount
Yes.
you're getting. This is the difference between the two recurring account. Any doubt
No doubt.
here?
There is no way.
Is it clear, everyone? Hello?
Yeah, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Give your
Thank you,
exam.
sir.
Best
Bye,
of
sir.
luck. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So I had a doubt in the last FA phase one paper, the last question where the reminder and divisor one. Do you remember that f of x divided by x minus 1, x minus 2?
Okay, I will tell you. Give your exam by today exam. Then I will discuss both the paper. Okay.
No, sir. Can we do that now? Because if you ask a question like that, then I won't be able to answer it.
Okay. I told them in that day only. Just wait a minute. I will just give you the brief idea. Okay.
Yeah, sir. No, I actually kind of got it. It's something related to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient.
See, no. You know Euclid's division algorithm that when f of x is a function and if I divide with x plus 1, so how can I write down? I can write down f of x, x plus 1, some quotient plus some remainder, na?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And in the question it was given that fx is divided by x plus 1 and you are getting some remainder, or you are getting suppose 5. So that means f of minus 1 will be 5. And similarly, fx is divided by x plus 2, then you get the remainder as 7. So f of minus 2 will be how much? 7, na? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And then they are saying that when fx is divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2, what would be your r? They are asking you this. So you can say that sir, what is your divisor? This is a quadratic or what?
Yes, sir. That's quadratic. Yeah.
So always remember that the degree remainder will be a polynomial of degree 1 less than the divisor. So your divisor degree is how much? Degree of divisor is what? 2.
Yeah.
So the possibility of your remainder will be what? The degree of remainder, it can be 1, it can be 0 also. Means less than 2, that's all. Less than 2 I am saying. Is it clear? So
Yes,
your
sir.
remainder can be a linear function, na? You can assume it is a linear function. The degree is coming as 1. So if it comes out to be constant, then the value of a will be 0, na? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So can I write down that my f of x will be x plus 1 into x plus 2 into q suppose q dash of x plus remainder I am writing as ax plus b. Now what you do? You know f of -1 is 5. You know f of 2 as 7. Put it here. So when you put x as in place of x, you put -1. This term will be 0. So you can simply say f of -1 is equals to, here you put -1. So minus a plus b, which is 5. So I think I am getting a equation in a and b. Again, when you put f of -2, you will get one more equation. Solve for a, b. Did you get it?
Ah, okay, sir. Got it. Yeah.
Got it,
Yes,
Advait?
sir. Got it. Yes, sir. I got it. Yeah. Minus a plus b is equal to 7. And then you can add them b, whatever. You can just calculate simultaneous equation. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Can I end the session now?
Yes, sir. You can. Thank you very much.